morning. It's day 9 of our trip. We have like what? Again, 5-6 hours of sleep. And I have to get it back on the bike and keep going. We got around 2,000 miles ahead of us. And it's already 7 o'clock and it starts to get hot. We are in Nevada. So probably today's gonna be like 120 degrees or something. Alright, it's time to start day number 9. We are in Nevada and heading back home. So the plan for today is 600 miles, maybe 700, but I kind of doubt it. Ah, shit. So we still got around 1,800 miles ahead of us. So we will divide that into 3 days. So it's around 600 miles. I mean, around 600 miles a day. So that should be pretty easy. Clown hotel. Fucking awesome. It's a hotel for clowns. That's fucking creepy. Looks like a old western town. Yeah, so the weather is pretty perfect in the morning. Right now we got about 70 degrees. So now every day we will have less and less turns. So that kind of sucks, but yesterday we maxed out. We did Sequoia National Park, we did Yosemite National Park, and then went on the other side of the mountains, going from California to Nevada, and nothing but a turns. It was pretty epic yesterday. Damn, this road looks sick too. Look at that. Goes all the way straight. Love it. Maciek, to wczoraj zjadłeś śniadanie w końcu, czy nie?
Zjadłem o północy.
Alright, we made it to the city, went over in Nevada. A lot of casinos over here. So we're just gonna stop by, check out the machines, maybe play a little bit. And of course, they require masks inside and to check temperatures. Co macie wygrana?
$50.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we're done with the casino. I just wasted $5 on my favorite beer. And yeah, I really have to hit the road because we got, I would say, at least 300 miles in front of us. Alright, so we played with casino for a little bit, got fueled up, beered up, and we need to hit another 200 plus miles, or maybe even 300. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, and we went over Nevada, and it's super hot over here. It's like 100 degrees. Alright, so now we're going towards Salt Lake City. Yep, and we are already in Utah. We're getting close to Salt Lake City, and it's not getting cooler. It's around 100 degrees, it's super hot, a lot of heat on my balls from the exhaust and the engine. Smokes, this road's so boring. Just going straight and looking at this mountain, and it seems like the mountain is so close because the road goes like right in front of the mountain, and it seems like the mountain is just right there, but it's miles and miles of straight road before we get to it. 200 more miles. Alright, so finally we got closer to the mountain, and we're gonna take a pit stop.
Moments later.
Alright, we've got Salt Lake City. Mm, 15 South, Las Vegas. That sounds tempting. So we are finally in Wyoming, about 80 miles from the hotel. We're gonna stop for the night. So we're gonna reach our goal, 600 miles. Got a tunnel.